Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel once again with another video this week. And as you have read the title, which is Never Make Excuses, and I just wanted to share my opinion on this topic. So let's get into the video right away without wasting any amount of time. So let's get into it. And my first uh, thing that I wanted to share with you all is that 99% of the failures come from the people who make excuses very often. Uh, um, what they think is that making excuses always lead to failures, and if you wanted to be successful as bad as you can, you would be successful. Okay. And for the people who always tend to make excuses every time, every single day, every single moment, they always lead to failures. And if you have a certain goal uh, in your life, um, you would be moving in that direction of your goal. And in your direction of moving towards your goal, if you make excuses that I can't become what I just wanted to achieve, I can't do this, I can't do that, that all is a nonsense. And that all what we call it, that all uh, things that you're thinking will demotivate you each and every time if you think like that. And yes, if you wanted to stay motivated on that goal, that achievement that you wanted so badly, so what you do is that um, okay, watch more videos on that particular topic, and take a step by step process in order to achieve that goal. If you can't achieve that goal, and if you feel like that goal is not suitable for me, take a time for yourself and understand that which profession that suits you, and you have to move on with that. Okay, you have to acquire knowledge on that profession. Okay. And once you have all the information of that profession that you wanted to achieve, so you have to move on in a step by step process. Take a baby steps that towards your achievement, towards your passion of that profession. Okay. Like if you wanted to become a doctor or a choreographer or a singer, whatever your profession is, okay, you have to move in a step by step. Okay. If you like for example, take if you wanted to become a choreographer, you would be going to a dance school, you would be learning dance. And after a few years, you would be going and giving auditions to various dance uh, platforms. Okay. And yeah, you would be moving on like that. And one day or the other, you would be uh, becoming a choreographer. Okay. Like that, you have to move on. Okay. By taking a step by step, as I said. Okay. And if you wanted to be successful as bad as you can, then you will be successful. And making of excuses more and more often will lead to failures, as I told you. So never make excuses that often. Okay. If you if you get to know that which profession you are interested in and you wanted to move on with, okay, just just move on. Okay. Take your own time, take your own space, and think about the profession you just wanted to achieve, something or the other. Okay. In that manner, you would be successful. You can't be successful by making excuses each and every time Okay. And as I said earlier in this video that 99% of the failures come from the people who make excuses more often. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, by this is what I just wanted to share in this video, that making more excuses each and every time, it will always leads to a failure, not a success. Okay, keep that in mind. And if you want to achieve a goal in your life, make a short term and long term list with you. Okay. uh, okay. And write down what you wanted to uh, achieve in a short time, and list down the things under the long term goals that you wanted to achieve in a long time. And yes, that is what I just wanted to share with you all in this video. And um, there is not much more than this that I just wanted to share with you all. So this is it with this video. And see you in another video with very soon. And if you liked my video, so just hit that like button, so that motivates me to do more. And please to make sure to subscribe to my channel. And yes, that's all with this video. See you in another video very soon. And goodbye.